Hello everyone and welcome to this video. If you don't know who I am, I've been selling for over 5 years on Amazon now. I sell in the UK. I sell internationally as well. I do bundles, a little bit of private label and online arbitrage. However, mostly my main thing is definitely unique bundles and bundles. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how you can start transferring and creating your own bundles from your products that you're already selling. How you can make some profitable, stable, more profitable and more stable bundles from the arbitrage products or the wholesale products that you're already sourcing, you've already got a direct supply for, how you can start making a more profitable and sustainable business using them. We're going to do a little bit of creation, sourcing of the analysis using helium-10 in this as well, and I'm going to just talk you through the whole process. Okay, so don't go anywhere. Let's dive in. Anyway, let's dive into it. So look, we've seen this here, right? So let's pretend, because I know there's loads of FBA sellers on this listing. There's 20 new offers there, probably making hardly any money per sale, tiny little margin game business. Who the hell wants to do that, right? I'm joking, there is some people that want to do that, but we don't want to do that. So let's say that this is your product that you're already selling in them 4 variations. Well, what if we could sell it in an 8-pack? What if we could sell it in an 8-pack? With our own unique item, so that we could hoover up all the sales and get everyone else off this, right? So the first thing we've got to do is try to validate this idea. And by the way, guys, I'm not going to go into like intense deep training into like how to avoid IP claims and stuff like that, because there's so much to this. If you want intense training, I don't sell any courses myself, but I would personally recommend the Hive. I'll leave a link below for that, where Natalie, who's trained me everything I know about bundles, has her monthly community there, 50% discount off if you use that link below. That's if you want the most up-to-date recent knowledge on this stuff, how to create bundles properly, how to create a proper business out of this. But I'm going to go over like the basics here, how you can do it, right? So that's that. You want to double, let's say we're going to do an 8-pack of them where there's probably demand for a more margin, and then put some sort of unique item in it to keep other sellers away, right? Once again, I don't know if there's any IP claims of this Vaseline brand. There might be. I'm just showing you a basic example here. This is not advanced, right? So what I'm going to do is have a little look at this using helium-10, right? So I'm going to use helium-10 here. You're probably going to need it if you want to do this stuff properly, by the way. Like, you can do it manually, but it's going to be a lot of effort. So we need to find that product here. Let's have a little look. Let's find this Vaseline product. Have a little look, scroll down there. So let's move my head out the way there. There it is there. So there we go. We're going to click on that, and I'm going to click Run Cerebro. And what we need to do is validate where the demand is coming from here, guys, right? So this is like, let's pretend, remember, you're already selling this product, right? This is for products that you're already selling. You've already got a supplier for. You already know how much you can buy it for. And you've already worked out at this point, right, that you can get the good enough supply, and that if you were to double that sale price, there should be nice, juicy amount of profit left in it for you. That's what you've got to do beforehand, guys. You know, no one's going to do this stuff for you. Some stuff is common sense. You've got to work out, if you doubled that sale price, would it sell for you? The next thing we got to do is figure out if there's enough search demand. What main keywords are we going to use to create this bundle, right? So you get your bundle image. Let's put a word count of 2 there. As you know, we'll put the word count as 1 because some people might be searching for the actual brand, which in this case, for the test, I'm showing you is Vaseline. Search volume, I usually put like, let's say, might want to put 80 or something like that. Because, you know, with bundles, you can have hundreds of keywords if you want that have all got 80 search. There's still going to be loads of search. It's not like private label where you need a lot of search in a lot of cases to actually get some good momentum going, because you're selling thousands of products. With bundles, it doesn't matter if you sell 1 a week, as long as you're selling. You know, it's a volume game with this. Organic rank, what we're going to do there is put that to 60. That means it's going to show us pretty much the first 2 pages where we're ranking. Click apply filters. So we got 121 filtered keywords there, and we've got the Vaseline lip therapy as the main one there. 20% off, link to helium-10, by the way, below if you need this tool, by the way. I forgot to mention that. So what we're going to do is scroll over here, look at the organic rank there, right? So the organic rank is showing us where these products are, where these products are showing in these keywords, right? So remember, we need to figure out where the keywords are coming from. What keywords are generating the sales for this particular product? Because remember, this is the product that we're selling. theoretically speaking, hypothetically speaking.
What?
And what we want to do is figure out if there's enough demand for us to create our own bundle for this. So we've got our stable replens. So the main keywords are coming from this. Oh, get that off. This is where the main organic rank is there. So we're organic rank number 1 for this, which has got search volume of 966. This, huge search demand there. This, huge, pretty good search demand there. This, lip Vaseline, 154, and so on, as you can see. So these are all the organic rank spots: number 1, number 2, number 3, 7, loads there. And if we look at the search demand, there is a ton of search demand there, guys, if we add up all of them smaller keywords. And we're going to have to stuff all of them. This is why Helium 10 is important, because we'll have to stuff all of these keywords into our listing, into our back end and everything like that, and really get this listing going, right? Only if you create it, and this is the stuff you've got to learn about bundles, you've got to be able to create the title and everything like that. As long as it's in the T's and C's of Amazon, you've got to make sure you're creating it without getting IPs, without getting issues. People are getting their accounts suspended, creating bundles in the wrong way. You've got to make sure you're doing it in the correct way, by the way, guys. But yeah, if you're using brands, that is. But yeah, this is it, guys, basically. So get all of these keywords, chuck them into your listing, and then we need to, but for that, we need to validate these keywords. We need to make sure that they're good. So you need to click into each keyword. Let's check how many results they've got. Not too bad, 152 results there. There we go, popping up straight there. I want to check the competition. Is there much competition for this? Has anyone else done this already? If they have, doesn't necessarily matter. We just need to make sure there's enough demand for us to fit in as well. As you can see, there's a couple of, there's like a bundle there, 11 new offers. So that's just an arbitrage product. No one's done their own version of this yet by the looks of it. Could be a little gift pack there or something. I'm not sure. Someone looks like they've put their own unique item with this one here. That's not. That's like a private label product, actually, I think. So it doesn't actually look like there's a bundle there, actually. That could be someone else's bundle they've created, but there's not actually that much competition here. Oh, there we go. There's a bundle there with a unique item just for 4. So yeah, it looks like there's a lot of demand here, guys. And I think it could potentially be a good product. Potential keywords. Once you've done all the checks, guys, you need to check the individual keywords, make sure they're not too competitive and all that sort of stuff. Yeah, and that was just a basic outline of how you do this stuff, guys. Go through all the catalog, the products that are already selling for you, and you can start to make your own listings of these products, guys, just to eliminate a lot of competition. I hope that video's helped. As I say, if you want to grab Helium 10, 20% off below. If you want to look into the Hive, which is the only sort of group that I would recommend. I've actually been a member of that for years. There's also a code for that below if you want to do bundles properly and learn all this good stuff. Guys, I'll see you in the next video.